With the pandemic, technologies like 3D printing and circuit milling systems make it possible to create medical-grade devices for the cost of locally sourced materials. Devices like ventilators and personal protective equipment, or PPE. Engineers, including student researchers, work on designs and prototypes in the Michigan Tech Open Sustainability Technology Lab. They print bag valve mask ventilators, an emergency medical device, for less than $170. The designs are all open source, meaning they are free to use and adapt. Experimental results after testing on an artificial lung demonstrate repeatability and accuracy. The lab hopes that such devices can be built upon and improved by others to achieve full regulatory approval in all countries to ensure humanity is prepared for the next pandemic.